Hey Mercedes, play radio. So, ceiling. Good morning. I'm gonna be doing small job today. Full central heating installation in the listed property. Supplying and installing new Valiant EcoTech Pro combi boiler. Running new central heating pipework under the floorboards to supply 2 radiators, 1 tower rail, and also leave floor and return cap top for the extension. As usual, enjoy watching. Yummy.
Removed old gas boiler, pipes dropping from the ceiling, removed. All new primer is gonna go from the kitchen through that wall to under the floor space across the room and supply new radiator. Let's go see the kitchen. So that's the kitchen. That's low carbon steel pipes. It's gonna be removed. All pipework in the kitchen, including gas, scrapped. Run new gas supply to the hob. That's gonna be new boiler location. All this old pipework, low carbon steel to be removed. And run new hot and cold to supply toilet, bath and basin. All these low carbon steel also removed. New tower rail installed and piped in. Pipe in radiator.
Messy part of the job today. Low carbon steel full of rust. Look at my arms. So that was a drinking water. You may get sick if you drink water like that. Replacing all low carbon steel pipe with copper. copper all the way. Sadly, we're not keeping copper on this job. Yeah, no. Customer is a tradesman too. He knows how to treat precious copper.
Copper to MLCP, then into a copper again. Same here, MLCP under the floorboards, copper tails.
What is it? Day 2 today. I think it's day 2 today, yeah? So I've managed to do a first fix for living room, bedroom and tower rail, and also run some primaries through the kitchen, from the boiler through the kitchen, and feed copper. No press fits today. Well, half press fits, half end feed, half MLCP. I have nothing more to say. I guess I'll see you in the morning. Ta-da! Day 3. Not much of a progress again. All I did all day is piping up kitchen below the boiler. Literally piping up boiler and finalizing bits under the kitchen sink from yesterday. There wasn't much to show you today, but I hope you enjoyed watching. See you tomorrow.
Called you, no answer. It's cool though, I feel you, a blue blood. lose control. I called you, no answer. It's cold though. I feel you. Warm tears are falling. Can't tell if I'm balling. Floating through this kitchen. 2 million miles from living. I hear the broken siren out the window. On the cell phone, you're not alone. Pick up your phone.
Okay, it's Friday. The first stage is complete. Now I'm gonna be waiting for a customer to contact me and reschedule second stage, which is hanging radiators, commissioning boiler, installing room stack. I hope you had a good fun watching. See you in the next one.